Yes, but do you wish to comment regarding this discrepancy between your version and the proposition that was put by council on the 11th of October 2023?
Kodwa ke ngabe khona yini ofisa ukusho phakathi kwalenkulumo yakho naloku okushiwo ummeli ngazo 11 October 2023?
Mina ngangisiza ukuthi kaNongoma ngene ngasiphi isikhathi phambi kosekadona.
What be of assistance to me, my Lord, is when I would be able to know or to see as to what time exactly did I get to KwaNongoma on that day.
Now, you told us before we confronted you with this proposition by council, you were able to say you arrived, you gave the times, the traveling times.
Uzokhumbula ke ukuthi unikeze ngesikhathi angithi ubale amahora wathi kusuka eJohannesburg uya KwaNongoma u8 hours wakhuluma ngo2 hours ukusuka KwaNongoma uya uSuthu wakhuluma ngehour ukusuka uSuthu uya koHlokolo uthi
No, ngicela phambi kwakhoti angajampe ngaphambi asiqale ngemuva ukuthi kuze ngisuke eCartonville ngifika eJohannesburg okuyisiphi isikhathi anti nisikhathi akikho ngegade ngaso.
I would then request that we don't go ahead, but if we were to move, just go back a bit. The time from Carltonville to Johannesburg, as to what time was that?
Yes, you can tell us you were traveling.
Sesingatshela wena umuntu owahamba.
Angikwazi uma abusuke eCartonville eJohannesburg ngoba yikho into engangegadile futhi phambi kosenkantolo.
I do not know the hours from Carltonville to Johannesburg because there is nothing that I was on the lookout for with regards to time.
The ritual for the child, when was it due to be performed?
Umsebenzi lona ke noma ke umcimbi lo wawuzokwenzelwa ingane wawuzokwenzwa nini?
Noma ngakhumbula ukuthi wawuqala ngalokhuza ngesonto noma ngomsombuluko ngisakhumbula into ezakudala phambi kosenkantolo.
Although I'm unable to recall, my Lord, as to whether it was on the Sunday or on the Monday, I cannot remember because this was long ago.
Were you due to pay lobola for your partner?
Ingabe wawuzoyo khokhi lobola ukhokhela loyo owawuthandana naye?
Ngawo lo nyaka la ngisakhumbula unyaka ukuthi wona muphi unyanga straight nqonje eqondene nenyanga ne date.
Yes, during that year, although I just cannot remember as to which month as well as the date.
But you say you are certain that the ritual for the child was going to take place over that. You said you are not sure whether it was the Sunday or the Monday.
Kodwa ke uqinisekile ukuthi umsebenzi lo wengane wona wawuzoba ngayo leyo mpela sonto leyo uyasho ukuthi awusakhumbuli noma kwakuzoba ngesonto noma ngomsombuluko kodwa umsebenzi wengane wawuzoba ngaleyo mpela sonto leyo.
Umsebenzi wengane ukuthatha amalanga amahlanu amalanga amathathu.
A ceremony that is to be performed for a child doesn't take 3 or 5 days
Ngosiko lakithi.
according to my culture.
Ngingakho ngithi ngisakhumbula uma kuyisonto noma ngomsombuluko phakathi nje kwalapho lozo zuku lezi ezithuna.
Hence I am saying I cannot remember as to whether it was on the Sunday or the Monday, but between those days.
Umsebenzi ubeqala inkomo zahamba ngemuva komsebenzi enqale ngawo.
I first did performed the ceremony, and then the cows or the cattle followed afterwards. But I started with the ceremony.
So ceremony, are you referring to the cleansing of the child?
Ukhuluma ngomsebenzi wengane. Uma uthi umsebenzi uqale ngawo, ukhuluma ngomsebenzi wokugeza kwengane.
Yes, qale ngawo.
Yes, I started with that ceremony.
And you say, what about the cattle?
Inkomo uthini ngazo zona?
Ngithi zihambe sengiqedile ukwenza umsebenzi.
I'm saying that they left after I had already, or after I had finished performing the ceremony.
If you say the cattle had left, are you talking about paying lobola or just heading them off to the field?
Uma ukhuluma ngokuhamba kweinkomo sikhuluma lana ngokukhokhwa kwelobola noma sikhuluma ngeinkomo ukuthi sihambe siphume ziyodla.
Sikhuluma ngokuhamba kwenkomo ukuthi ziyolobola.
I'm referring to the paying of the lobola.
Now, are you saying now, Mr. Ntanzi, that starting from the Sunday, between Sunday and Monday, you had to do a cleansing ceremony for the child and also to pay lobola.
Ingabe okushoyo mnumzana Ntanzi ukuthi ke nanjengoba usho ukuthi awuqinisekile ngosuku ukuthi phakathi kwesonto nomsombuluko ila ukuthi ke umsebenzi wengane ozokwenziwa ngaleso sikhathi leso bese ube futhi ukhokha ukhipha nolobola.
into vele engangihlelile.
That is indeed what I had planned.
Did that happen?
Kwenzeka.
Kwenzeka
It happened
Yes.
ngoba ekhaya yona into engangiyele phambi kokuze enkantolo.
because that is the main reason that I had gone home for.
Remember yesterday when we asked you whether there was a specific reason as to why you took unpaid leave, you said there was nothing specific that you had to do. You actually mentioned that you had to do general work around the house. You mentioned heading kettles, cleaning around the house, etc.
Uzokhumbula ke izolo uma sekubuza wona lo mbuzo lona ushilo ukuthi kwakungena asikho izathu thizeni noma ke izathu nje esasikubangela ukuthi uhambe uye ekhaya ushilo ke ukuthi uma ngabe ususe ekhaya ke kwakuukuthi lapho ke uthathe inkomo uyihambise nokuthi nje uklineke egcekeni.
Bengiphendula umbuzo lebengibuza ngale ndlela bengibuza ngomphendulo lithi ekhaya kubhekwe mina. Namanje bangisejele nje ekhaya babuka mina noba ngisejele.
I was responding to the question that you were asking me and the question in the manner in which you were asking, you were posing it, that back home they are looking up to me. Even now that I am incarcerated, they are still looking up to me.
Yes, but Mr. Ntanzi, we asked you specifically as to what was the purpose of taking unpaid leave and going home, and you said there was nothing specific. You only wanted to do general duties, and you mentioned the tending of cattle. But now you say the main reason why you went home was because of these ceremonies, the cleansing and the paying of lobola. These two are irreconcilable.
Izolo uma sikubuzile ukuthi sasikhona yini izathu esakholela ukuthi uhambe uye ekhaya. Washo wena ukuthi cha akunazathu thizeni esangibangela ukuthi angihambe ngiye ekhaya. Wabeke ususho ke ukuthi ke uma usekhaya ke uye uklineke igceke futhi ke uhambise inkomo ke kodwa namuhla ke uma uphendula manje nje uthi ke esona sizathu esakubangela ukuthi uhambe uye ekhaya iwona lo msebenzi wengane nokuthi ke uhambise inkomo ukulobola.
Kosenkantolo namanje ngiyaphinda le athi angitshena wona izolo akangibuzanga ngale ndlela angibuza ngayo manje.
My Lord, I'm repeating that this question was not posed to me, or let me say, yesterday this question was not posed in the manner that it is being posed right now.
Mangisekhaya kosenkantolo nginedinga eziningi. Njengoba ngaqala ngishilo ukuthi engibuza ukuthi yini kubhalwe leli gama ngithi mina ngangiyolungisa idingo zami nomndeni wami abazali bami abangizalayo.
Back home, my Lord, I've got needs back home. And also when I was asked as to why this particular reason was written, where it says personal problems, I did say that I've got needs that concern myself as well as my biological parents.
Okokuqala nje kosenkantolo ngoba inkosi enkantolo ikhona. Ngeke ukuthi ngathi ngifike ekhaya nginobaba. Kufanele baba vulela inkomo avuke eksena vulela inkomo ngikhona engibona ukuthi ngifikile ebusuku ngikhona. Ayenzeke lo. Vele mina ngivuke vulela inkomo ngihambisa inkomo.
Firstly, my Lord, I'm now back home and my father saw that I arrived the previous night. So is he now expected to wake up in the morning and go and open up for the cattle? That doesn't happen. That's impossible because I am there. I'm the one that has to wake up and go and open up for the cattle.
Nokuthatha ifoshela ngiyashala lapha engishaya khona utshani lapha engibona khona.
As well as my Lord is taking the spade, I would then clean where I see that there is some grass, just to clean there. It's my duty.
Manje ngiyibona into ehlukile lapho engibuza khona namanje.
Now I see no difference, my Lord, where I'm being, or to what I'm being asked about.
Remember yesterday or the day before when we asked as to what those personal problems are that are mentioned in your unpaid leave, you said it's none of the anyone's business.
Uzokhumbula ke izolo ke uma ngikubuza ukuthi inkinga lezi ezibhalwe lana ke ukuthi inkinga zakho ukuthi zazi yini washo ke ukuthi ke akusiyona ke akusinkinga yamuntu leyo.
Ngitheza inkinga zami nomndeni wami. Ngisho njalo phambi kwekhotha.
What I said before the court that those are problems pertaining myself as well as my family, or that concern myself and my family.
And just now, when we asked you whether you had to pay lobola for your partner, you said you cannot remember the month.
Kumibuzo nje edlulile ke sikubuzile ukuthi kwakufanele ukuthi ke uyokhipha ilobola yini ukhiphela lo awuthandana naye wathi inyanga awuyikhumbuli.
But now you're saying there were two events. The first one was the ceremony for the cleansing of the child, and the second one was for the paying of lobola.
Kodwa manje ke uthi kwakunemisebenzi emibili akufanele ukuthi yenziwe. Oqala umsebenzi kwakuwumsebenzi wengane bese ke kulandela umsebenzi wokulobola.
Ngoba ngimlapha phambi kwenkantolo. Yonke into ihamba ingibuyele mina ngoba nguyosuke ngibuza ngiphendule lo mbuzo sokungiphendula ngeke.
As I am standing here, my Lord, as the questions are being asked, everything now I'm able to recall the things as the questions are being posed to me.
Ngoba nje ngisho ukuthi letela lento ezenzeke ngesikhathi esi1 kusho mina phambi kwekhotha.
As I am saying that these are things that happened at the same time, I am the one saying that it's not something that I heard from someone, it's not hearsay.
Now, when you testified in evidence in chief, did you mention these aspects that you had to perform a ceremony for a child and that you had to pay lobola for your partner?
Uma ngabe uqala nje ukuthi wothula ubufakazi bakho ke kuse ummeli wakho ke okuholayo, ingaba lokhu ukhulumile ngako kushilo yini ngesikhathi bekummeli wakho kubuza imibuzo ukuthi kwakufanele wenzele ingane umsebenzi kufanele uyokhipha ilobola?
Ngiyethemba phambi kwenkantolo mina ngisukanga ngamala ngathi kwenkantolo kukanje ummeli wami nguye wengitshela itanzi ngedate esokwenzakala ngelanga lisokwenzakala azange ngibuze vele ngale date ummeli wami.
I believe, my Lord, that as I took to the witness stand, I am not the one who just volunteered information or just testified, my Lord. I was being led by my legal representative to say that Ntanzi, what happened on this date, what happened on this date. My legal rep did not ask me about this date, my Lord.
But as we put the proposition to you previously that the date of the 26th is crucial, your whereabouts about the 26th of October 2014 is crucial. It goes to the heart of the issues in this matter. Why did you not mention these aspects?
Njengoba besishilo ke kwena noma kuyinto besishilo ke kwena ukuthi ke ilanga leli langa 26 October 2014 ilanga elisemqoka kakhulu ukuthi wawukuphi nendawo nge26 into esemqoka leyo ngoba iyona ke ehamba iye ekujuleni kwako konke okukhulunywa ngako la bekungani ke wena kube wena okushoyo oyikhulumelayo lokho ukusho wena ngokwakho.
Mina kwenkantolo ilanga langa 26 imali ekhomqoka.
To me, my Lord, the day of the 26th is not of importance.
Ngoba yikho into engangigade ngazi 26 mina ukuthi kuzokwenzakalana emhlabeni.
Because there was nothing specific that I was on the lookout for the day of the 26th as to what was going to happen, my Lord.
Manje ngiyamangala mangithwala imqoka lemqoka kimi noma lemqoka kupha lekho mqoka kimi.
Now it comes as a surprise to me when it is being put to me that that day is of importance. Is it of importance to me or to who? But to me, it is not of importance.
Can you clarify the issue of the transactions at the bank in Nongoma on the 25th of October 2014? Did that happen or did that not happen?
Ungachaza nje udaba lolu ke lokuthi ke kunokwenzeka noma ke phecelezi kuma singasebenzisa ke igama lesilungu kunama transaction enzeka ebhange kwaNongoma nge25 zika October 2014 ingabe kwenzeka lokho noma akuzange kwenzeke?
Mangingabona ibank statement sami kwenkantolo.
If I were to see my bank statement, my Lord.
But what is your version? Did you go to the bank on the 25th of October 2014?
Wena ke eyakho inkulumo ithini ngabe waya yini ebhange nge25 zika October 2014?
Kwenkantolo sesesithi isikhathi.
My Lord, it's been a while ago or a while back.
ingakho phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ukuthi ngicela i-bank statement sami ngisibone.
Hence, I am requesting for my bank statement before the court, my lord, for me to see it.
We're going to show you Exhibit DD, your bank statement. It's a bank statement from Capitec,
Sonalesi Saka Capitec,
DD1, Exhibit DD1. It consists of 18 pages.
number page 18.
The first page is first page, it's a section 236 affidavit by an employee of Capitec Bank.
Lana ke document ke section 236 umuntu osebenza ebhange eCapitec owenzeke le statement esifungelwe.
And then page 2, you turn the page over. Is the second page indicating that the bank statement pertains to Mr. Bongani Ntanzi. It
Bese-
gives the account number 13564129888.
Lana ke i-page uconfirma ke ukuthi ngempela ibhange noma ke istatement lesi sakhe ke umnumzana uNtanzi ufunda ke ne number account number.
And the statement is for the period January 2014 up to 31 December 2015. The official says there were no transactions on this account for the period requested, namely 25 October 2014 to 28 October 2014.
Dates. You're reading from page?
So,
Liphing.
Lana istatement kuyashiwo ke ukuthi ke esesikhathi i-25 October 2014 kuyofika ke nge 28 October 2014 ukuthi ke akukho okwenzeka noma awekho ama transaction enzeka kuyona le account ngaso lesikhathi lesi.
Manje la ngiyamanga ma signature lana ithunga kabana.
These two signatures, who signatures are these?
Ngoba le signature le bhalwe kulesi iphepha oninika ubaba Jonas ayifani nale mari umbhalo wakho na ama signature ehlukene manje ngicela ukubuza nje kuqala ngalama signature njengalapha futhi.
May I firstly inquire about these signatures because these signatures from the document that you were given to us is not the same.
can we just have a look at? Now, we have just clarified that Exhibit DD1 was obtained first on the 6th of September 2023,
Siqeda uthola ke manje ukuthi exhibit DD1 watholakala nge-6 September 2023.
then the second affidavit was obtained on the 9th of April 2024
Bese kuthi-
with the rest of the accused when all the bank statements were requested.
Bese kuthi lesibili ke kwange-9 April 2023 ngesikhathi secelwa ke onke ama-statements abasolwa ke phambi kwenkantolo.
Yes.
Yebo ngiyakuzwa mina ngicela ukuchazela ikhodi uyitshene khodi isignature le ngakabani le ngenhla nale ngezansi.
Yes, I hear that, but if you were just to clarify to the court as to the signatures there.
Yes.
The one at the top and the bottom.
Ngoba leli phepha oliphethe ngapha esandleni sokudla uma umbuka le nepeni. Awafana lama signature ophethe leli phepha duning bab Jonas ehlukene kakhulu.
Because now the document that you have on your right hand side, where in the hand that has your pen, as well as the document on your left hand side are two different documents. Even the signatures are different.
Mr. Ntanzi, we've just explained to you that these are two different affidavits, but pertaining to your account. The first affidavit is dated 6 September 2023, and it pertains to your account.
Sishilo ukuthi ama-affidavit amabili lana ke kodwa ke omabili ke akhuluma nge-account yakho eyokuqala sishilo ukuthi yange-6 September 2023.
Uma ukuthi bengizwe kahle phambi kwecourt. Ngize kuthiwa le information le ngeyami yasebank angeke.
If I heard properly before the court, I heard that this information is my information, my bank information.
Manje ngapha kwe-etweni zami kune signature yomuntu engingamazi.
But now on the other side, in my statement, there's a signature of someone unknown to me.
Angithi uprint into yasebank wayilethe court. Manje why ama signature ngibani osayinelana lapha?
Because you printed something or a statement from the bank now, so who signed there?
Now, Mr. Ntanzi, we've tried our level best to explain to you that we're talking about affidavits of two different people, but they all pertain to your account.
Sizamileke ukuthi sikusho kuwena ukuthi lana ama-affidavits abantu ababili abahlukileke ebhange, kodwa ke akhuluma nge-account yakho.
Mina bakuthi umshushisi yena ukhiphe into yami ebank. Kanti uma ukhiphe yami ebank bayayiprint ine signature yami. Manje lapha kufanele kusayine khona ngibani osayine lapha.
I thought that when you print my statement at the bank, it has to contain my signature, but where I'm supposed to sign, I see someone else sign, so who's that person?
No, these are bank records in terms of section 236. The law says proof of entries in accounting records may be obtained from the bank, and this is what happened. You don't come into the picture. It's the bank that furnished this information to the state.
Cha okwenzekayo lana ukuthi ke imininingwane yakho ecelwa ebhange umthetho uyavuma ukuthi ke leyo mininingwane ingatholakala wena lapha yana akukho la okuhlanganisa nawe lapha yana ukuthi imininingwane yakho icelwe noma i-statement zakho zicelwe ebhange.
Yes. And we've already traversed this, your legal representative has already traversed this as per the record that we have put forward to you.
Ngokwalo ke irecord leli ebese sikufundele lona ummeli wakho ke naye ke ebekhulumile ngako lokho noma ke i-statement lezi.
Ngicela ukubona lo ladeli lapha.
May I see the one that was before us now?
Yes.
Ngisacela futhi ungibonise khona konke ngifuna ukukhombisa ikhodi lena mina ngingeneliseke ngale ngubuza lo ngafuna ukungi-explainela phambi kwekhodi ukungichazisela.
There's something that I'm not satisfied about that I would like to explain to the court.
Yes.
Which you are not able to answer me on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kosenkantolo la nathi signature yokuqala.
Here's the first signature here, my lord. The witness is pointing to the second page.
Sacela ngifundela kuthini? B1 botho bani.
Bota or Bota.
Okay, siyashintsha manje siza ngaphi? Iphepha le1.
It's the same document. We are coming this side now.
Nathi signature yami phezulu ikhona ngeyami ke le.
Here's my signature at the top. It's mine.
Just look at the dates, where your hand is.
Ngicela la is okay. Correct.
Ngoba leli phepha leli naleli ite1 ngibani why assign lapha okufanele kusayine khona kufanele print leli phepha line signature yami na assign endaweni yakhe manje lapho why assign.
So why did this person sign here now where I am supposed to sign, because this is the same page?
Mr. Ntanzi, just look at the dates at the bottom.
Ngicela ubuka ama dates ezansi.
Eya lapha ibhalwe ngesandla lapha ibhalwe ngomshini.
This one is handwritten, this one is typed.
Are the dates the same?
Ayafana?
Awafana.
No, they are not.
Just go to the portion that shows the transactions, the bank statement themselves.
Okay. Okay. Siyabona ama bank statement, okay. Yes, we're there.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, just check the information that appears there.
Ngicela ukubuka imininingwane.
Is there any different?
Khona okuhlukile.
Angeke phambi kosekatela ngiqhumanya kwistatement ngiyeka ite wrong eqaleni le ngiphikisa phambi kwecourt.
I won't just jump to the statement, my lord, and just leave out that which I see to be wrong, my lord, at the beginning.
Ngoba mangithula ngibuka nje nane number le inumber le ka 060 le ebhalwe la. Le number yikho ebank lami eCapitec.
Even the 060 number, my lord, that is recorded here, this number is not at Capitec or registered at Capitec, my lord.
Manje ibhalwe ubani mseqhamisa ibhathi ibhalwe eCapitec.
Now, who wrote it here as it now appears on the Capitec statement records?
Nangapha ama signature manje akusiwa wami omunye umuntu manje.
And here you've got the signatures that are not mine, belong to someone else.
Mr. Ntanzi, can I just read what your counsel said on the 11th of October 2023?
Ngicela ukukufundela ukuthi ummeli wakho wathini nge-11 zika October 2023.
Ngizilo khangifundele khona umuntu olikele. Njengamanje mangathatha lamaphepha ethu lela ngibonisa zona ngonike nanga ummeli wami ake iqhathanise lezi zinto phambi kwecourt.
I heard what you read out and it was interpreted to me, but even now, if I were to take these documents and hand them over to my legal representative to just compare these documents.
Yes, we will do that exercise with your legal representative.
Sizokwenza lokho nommeli wakho.
Can we get both documents? Now, Mr. Ntanzi, we still none the wiser as to whether you went to your bank on the 25th of October 2014. Did you go to the bank or did you not go to the bank?
Waya noma awuzange uye ebank nge-25 zika October 2014.
Kosenkantolo ngizobonisa ibheke statement sami.
My bank statement, my lord, will reflect that.
Right. Now, let's get to the date of the 26th of October 2014.
Asiyeke manje kulona ilanga langa 26 October 2014.
Can you detail your activities on the 26th of October 2014?
Ungasho ke noma ungachaza ke owakwenza ngazo i-26 October 2014.
Kosenkantolo ngeke ngikwazi ukuchaza into ka 2014 mina.
My lord, I won't be able to detail what happened in 2014
Ukuthi ngangenzani ekhaya ngeke ngikuchaze uma ziningi izinto engizenzayo ekhaya.
as to what it was that I was doing back home, because there are many things that I do.
Ngoba neto ka 2018 nje ngisayikhumbule mina.
Even what happened in 2018, I am not able to recall that, my lord.
But you have just mentioned that you had to perform a ceremony for a child
Kodwa-
Either-
sorry.
between the Sunday and the Monday, and that you also had to pay lobola between the Sunday and the Monday.
Kodwa ke uqeda ukusho ukuthi ke phakathi komsombuluko kanye nalo isonto wawuzokwenza noma kwakufanele wenze umsebenzi wengane nokuthi ke futhi ke ukhiphe ilobola ke phakathi kwawo ke umsombuluko kanye nesonto kuyona leyo mpela sonto leyo.
Kosenkantolo ngiyaphinda futhi. Ma usekhaya unomuzi, mina nginawo umuzi kababa. Ziningi izinto engibabhizi ngazo ezingidingayo.
My Lord, I repeat, when you are back home and you have your own house, my Lord, but unfortunately I do not have one. It's my father's house. There are many things that you get busy with.
Ngoba lapha kosenkantolo kusokukhona umndeni wami nomunye ngapha uyangibiza nomunye ngapha uyangbiza ngizogcina ngigadile mayikhita ngigadile mina nge26 ukuthi ukwenzakalana emhlabeni.
Because back there, my Lord, my family is there. This one calls you, the other one calls you, my Lord. So there is nothing specific that I was on the lookout for as to what was going to happen.
Do you perhaps remember which day of the week it was, the 26th of October 2014?
Ingabe usakhumbula yini ukuthi i-date le yange 26 October 2014 yayingeliphi kwakuoluphi usuku?
Cha.
No.
Do you remember with whom you were on the 26th of October 2014?
Uyazikhumbula ukuthi wawunobani nge-26 October 2014?
Ekhaya sibaningi.
There are many of us back home, my Lord.
Khona ubaba omncane khona ubhuti khona umama khona ugogo ekhaya.
You've got your paternal uncles, you've got my mother, the grannies back home.
Were they with you on the 26th of October 2014?
Babe ndawonye nawo nge-26 October 2014?
Ukubandawonye usho ukuhlala endlini noma mhlawumbe usho nje egcekeni.
Do you mean like in being together inside the house or on the premises?
Both instances?
Zombili.
Angiba khona ekhaya benza into zabo emakhishini nami ngenza into zami nabafowethu.
Yes, they were around, they were there in the house. They were busy with their own things in the kitchen. I was also busy with my own things with my brothers.
Futhi ngeke ngiqaphe ukuthi mina sengene bani ekhaya ngibani ophumile lezo zinto ngesigadi leso.
And I won't notice as to who came in, who left. I'm not on the lookout for those things.
So are you saying, in short, Mr. Ntanzi, you're not able to detail as to what you did on the 26th of October 2014?
Kafushane nje okushoyo ukuthi ke angeke ukusho noma ukuchaze owakwenza noma owakwenza ngazo i-26 October 2014.
Mina phambi kwekhoti ngithi ziningi izinto engizenzayo ekhaya.
Before the court, my Lord, what I'm saying is there are many things that I do back home.
Yes.
Mina ngizalwa nobhuti ubhuti engangibiza mathi mfowethu thatha nansi iteso lapha endlini.
I've got a brother. My brother can call me and say, my brother, go and take this thing or go and fetch this thing there inside the house.
Uthola ukuthi ngizothi ngakafiki nakubhuti athi baba omncane mfowethu mawuqeda lapha undlule ngapha futhi.
You will find out that even before I reach my brother, my paternal uncle would then say to me, when you are done there, come over here.
Manje ngizobamba kuphi ngeke kuphike ngumuntu oyi1. Fanele ngithathe into za 2026 2025 ngisifake engqondweni.
But now being this one person, my Lord, so which one am I gonna grab and which one am I gonna leave? Am I now expected to put things that happen in 2025, 2026 in my mind?
Are you saying that you were with your brother on the 26th of October 2014?
Engabe uthi wawunomfowenu ngazo i-26 October 2014?
Ngithi mina nginabafowethu angisho ukuthi sasibaningi ekhaya.
I'm saying I was with my brothers. There were many of us at home.
Manginomsebenzi kosenkantolo bayafika abantu umsebenzi uyabikwa kuthiwa nomsebenzi wengane ngelanga lesolo umsebenzi kabani ngelanga lesolo.
My Lord, when there is a ceremony to be held or to be performed, that gets reported that on such and such a date there would be this ceremony or there would be that ceremony.
Ngoba nobaba uyabatshena abafowabo ukuthi kuzokwenzakala into esongelanga lesolo.
Because even my father will then convey that message to his brothers that on such and such a date there will be this ceremony.
But, sir, remember we're talking about the 26th of October 2014.
Ukhumbuleke ukuthi la sikhuluma nge-26 October 2014.
Ngiphendula khona phambi
I am
kosenkantolo.
responding to that before the court.
Now, which ceremony are you referring to?
Iwuphi-ke umsebenzi okhuluma ngawo?
mina ngikhuluma ngomsebenzi wengane
I'm referring to-
engaqala ngawuqala mangifika ekhaya.
I'm referring to the ceremony of the child, which is the one that I started with upon my arrival back home.
And followed by the lobola,
Wase ulandelwa-ke umsebenzi
the
wokulobola.
payment of
Ngoba
lobola.
ngahlala iviki nje.
Yes, because I stayed there for a week.
And you say the ceremony for the child as well as the payment of lobola happened on Sunday, the 26th of October, 2014.
Cha.
Inga-
Okay.
No,
Cha.
ingabe uthi umsebenzi wengane kanye nomsebenzi wokulobola yomibili leyo misebenzi leyo yenzeka ngesonto.
Angikushongo lokho phambi kwenkosi enkantolo.
I never said that before the court.
Yes, but we ask you, Mr. Ntanzi, to be, we've referred you to the 26th of October 2014. We asked you as to what were you doing, and you then mentioned the ceremonies.
Lana sikhuluma nge-26 October 2014. Sase siyakubuza ukuthi wawenzani ngalelo langa lelo ke ila khona ke okhulume khona ngemisebenzi.
Yeah, ngitshela ukuthi uthena nge-26 mangithi ngizohlaba ukuthi nge-26 nange-20 ngomilanga lelobona ilanga lengane ngithi mina cha.
No, because you are saying that on the 26th was it the day of the ceremony of the child as well as the lobola, I am saying no.
Ngithe mina ngiqale mangikhumbula kahle ekhaya ngiqale ngomsebenzi wengane.
I said that if I remember well, back home I started with the ceremony of the child.
Mr. Ntanzi, let's start all over again. Where were you on the 26th of October 2014?
Asiqale phansi futhi. Wawukuphi nge-26 zika October 2014?
Nkosi enkantolo ngithe lapha mina ngangisekhaya.
My Lord, I said I was back home.
And can you detail the activities that you performed on the 26th of October 2014? We're talking about 26 October 2014.
Ungakusho owakwenza nge-26 October 2014. Sikhuluma la nge-26 October 2014.
Nkosi enkantolo ngithi mina nge-26 October ziningi izinto engangibhizi ngazo ekhaya ezifuna mina.
I am saying, my Lord, that on the 26th of October 2014, there are many things that I was busy with that needed my attention.
Ngoba manginomsebenzi nkosi enkantolo uyaqina nasegcikeni thatha ishanele ihalavu.
Because, my Lord, when there is a ceremony, you then clean the premises or the yard. You would take the broom and you sweep. You also take the spade and also clean.
Now, with whom were you on the 26th of October 2014?
Wawunobani nge-26 zika October 2014.
Nkosi enkantolo noma ngeke ngize ngithi ngangihleli nobani endlini ngangihleli nobani ecela ngoba ngangibhizi nkosi enkantolo.
Although I won't be able to say, my Lord, specifically as to who was I with in the house and as to who was I with on the premises, my Lord, because I was busy.
Now, except for sweeping and cleaning, what else did you do on the 26th of October?
Ngaphandle kokuthi ke nanjengokusho ukuthi awuthatha ke ushanyele uthatha ihalavu uspade uclean ngalo yikuphi okunye wakwenza.
Kufanele ukuthi ngithunywe ngiyathunywa ekhaya ngengane.
It's just like being sent, my Lord, or being asked to go some errands. I'm being sent at home because I am a child.
And are you perhaps in a position to say who was with you on the 26th of October 2014 during the course of the day?
Ngalo lelo langa lelo langa 26 October 2014 ungasho yini ukuthi ubani noma wobani owawundawonye nabo noma owawunabo ngalelo langa lelo?
Ingakho ngithi phambi kwenkosi enkantolo mina ngeke ngikwazi ukumeshina amagama ngoba makungumndeni thiyasakhe ngonjengomndeni lapha phambi lapha esakhe khona esigodini sami.
My Lord, as I'm saying that I won't be able to mention names because in my village where our home is or where we have built, we built there as a family.
And you are not able to recall just a single person that you were with on the 26th of October 2014.
Akekho nje noyedwa vo omkhumbulayo kubantu owawunabo ngazo i-26 October 2014.
Ngithi mina ekhaya sibaningi. Angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngangizothi ngangihleli nombuso, ngangihleli nompilo, ngangihleli nomfana, ngangihleli nobani.
I am saying that there are many of us back home. I won't say I was with Mbuso, I was with Mpilo, or I was with Mfana.
Now, just finally on this aspect, the ceremony for the child and the lobola, are you still maintaining that it took place between the Sunday and the Monday?
Okugcina ke kulona lo daba lolu. Ngabe usamile ke kwinkulumo yakho yokuthi umsebenzi wengane kanye nomsebenzi wokulobola ukuthi leyo misebenzi leyo yenzeka phakathi komsombuluko nesonto.
Phakathi komsombuluko nesonto ngicela ungicebise ngiphindele lapho. Angizwa kahle.
Can you repeat that to me? I can't grasp that clearly.
Yes, there is a version that you proffered earlier on that the ceremony for the child and the lobola took place between the Sunday and the Monday.
Uzokhumbula ke kwinkulumo yakho ngaphambilini uthe umsebenzi noma imisebenzi lena emibili yebo yenzeka ngayo le yampela sonto ukuthi nje awukhumbuli ukuthi kwenzeka ngesonto noma kwenzeka ngomsombuluko ushilo ukuthi waqala ngomsebenzi wengane kwaseke kulandela inkomo. Manje kumbuzo yabuza ukuthi yomibili leyo misebenzi usamile yini kule yankulumo ukuthi kwenzeka phakathi kwesonto nomsombuluko.
Ngithe mina phambi kwecourt umsebenzi wengane engaqala ngawo ngoba umsebenzi wengane awuqala ekseni. Umsebenzi wengane uqala entambama ngesonto, ntambama.
I did say before this court that I started with the ceremony for the child, my lord, and it was on the Sunday, and the ceremony for the child, my lord, is not performed in the morning. It starts in the late afternoon. That was on the Sunday.
Uphele ngane inyama yakho idliwa ngomsombuluko.
And then it will then end, or the meat thereof of that particular ceremony will then be eaten on the Monday.
Uyaphela ke ngomsombuluko umsebenzi.
That's when now the ceremony ends.
Yes, and the lobola?
Wokulobola wona.
Ingakho ngithe inkomo ngisayikhumbula mayihambe ngolwesibini, mayihambe ngolwesithathu, mayihambe ngolwesine ngisakhumbuli lapho.
Hence I am then saying that, my lord, now the taking of the cows, in other words, now that is now to the other family. I cannot remember whether it was on the Tuesday, it was on the Monday, it was on the Thursday. That is the day that I'm not able to remember.
Will you be calling anyone to support your version that on the 26th of October 2014 you were home?
Ngabe ukhona yini umuntu ozombiza ukuthi ke azoqinisekisa lenkulumo yakho yokuthi nge-26 ka-October 2014 wawusekhaya?
Because enkantolo lokho ngokwami nommeli wami. Azange ngimbuze naye umshushisi phambi kwecourt ukuthi ummeli akambuza ama-witness akhe.
That is a matter between myself and my legal representative, my lord. I also never asked the state through my lawyer, my lord, or asked my lawyer to ask the prosecutor as to the witnesses that they were going to call.
Yes. We have already referred you to the transcript of the 12th of February 2024, page 18, during the trial within a trial when Dr. Sibanda took you under cross-examination regarding the events of the 17th of June 2020 in the boardroom at Pretoria North Police Station.
Bese sikubuzileke ngabe ubufakazi bange-12 kuFebruary 2024 ngesikhathi ke uDr. Sibanda ke uyena ke ekubuza ke ngaloya mhlangano ke wase boardroom.
And at page 18, line 16, maybe just at line 14, Dr. Sibanda asked you as to who was present in that particular boardroom. You said it was Sergeant Mohani, Sergeant Mabena, Brigadier Gininda, and Sergeant Mohola, and others that you don't recall their names.
La magama ke aqeda ukwafunda ke umshushisi abo Brigadier Gininda, abo Sergeant Mohane, Bo Sergeant Mukhula, abo Sergeant Mabhena nabanye ke oshilo ukuthi amagama abo awusabakhumbuli yibona abantu ababekhona lapho boardroom.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then he then asks you, what was the, questioning, inside the boardroom? You then responded, I was asked by Brigadier Gininda as to where I was in October.
Wabuzwa ke noma kubuza ke uDokotela uSibanda ukuthi ke wawubuzwa ngani ke washo ke ukuthi ke Brigadier Gininda wayengibuza ke ukuthi ngangikuphi ke ngalo ilanga lelo.
Then Dr. Sibana then asked you, what was your response? Then you said, I cannot remember where I was in October, whether I was at work, at home, I do not recall.
Uma uphendula ke wena waphendula ke ngelithi ke angisakhumbuli ke uma ngiphendula ngisakhumbula ukuthi ngathi ke ngangisemsebenzini ngangisekhaya angikhumbula ukuthi ke nganguphi ngazi 26 October.
Then he proceeded to ask you, did he ask you October of which year? Your response was yes. He said October of 2014.
Wasaqhubeka ke uMnumzana uSibanda noma advocate uSibanda kubuza ke ukuthi ngabe wakubuza yini uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ke ukhuluma ngoOctober wawuphi unyaka waphendula ke wena wathi yebo washo wathi October ka 2014.
And Dr. Sibana then asked you, did he give you the dates? Your response was, indeed, he gave me a date. However, I cannot recall which date he specifically gave me.
Wasekubuza ke uDr Sibanda ukuthi ingabe wakunikeza idate yini noma wayisho yini idate waphendula ke wena wathi yebo wayisho idate kodwa ke angisayikhumbuli ukuthi yipi leyo date.
Then Dr. Sibanda put the following proposition, and then your response was that you cannot recall whether you were at home or you were at work.
Wasephinda ke esho ke uDr Sibanda ukuthi ke impendulo yakho yathi kuBrigadier Gininda awukhumbuli noma wawusekhaya noma wawusemsebenzini.
Then you responded, that is correct, as I was employed, and if I'm not at home, I would be at work.
Waphendula ke wena wathi yebo ke nanjengomuntu osebenzayo ke uma ngabe ngingekho ekhaya ngisemsebenzini.
Ukuze ngiphendule ngale answer phambi kwenkosi enkantolo. Nangalele ngazi leli viki uma leli viki ngokangibuza ngale etongibuza ngakuphendula. Ngithi mina ukuze ngiphendule ngale pendula ngaphendula ngayo uGininda. Uthi uGininda mina ngisebenza.
For me to be able to respond in that manner, I don't know whether it was this week or last week where you asked me about the very same question. The reason why I answered as such is because Gininda said to me I was unemployed.
Uthi uGininda mina ngumuntu wamateksi ngihlala eFosolas. Mina ngiyamtshela ngithi iFosolas anginyazi futhi angisumuntu wamateksi.
Gininda then said to me that I was in the taxi industry or taxi business and that I was staying in Vosloorus. I then said to him, I do not know Vosloorus and I am not into taxis.
Mangathula ulandele kahle ke le record ongibuza ukuthi ubaba uSibanda uzangibuza ukuthi uqale ibhozo zogcinaphi.
If you were to follow that record that you are asking me about or that you are reading out to me in sequence as to where Dr. Sibanda started and where did he end?
Yes, but sir, you say he gave you the date when you were asked as to where you were in October 2014, you were given a date. However, you said you cannot recall which date you were given.
Kodwa ke lana kuloko kufundiwe ke ubuziwe ke ukuthi ngaba wayisho yini idate kwenu Brigadier Gininda wavuma ke wena wathi yebo wayisho ukuthi nje awuyikhumbuli leyo date ayisho kwenu Brigadier Gininda.
Manje phambi kwekhothe likuphi iphutha lami?
So where is my fault
Yes.
there then?
We'll still get into that point.
Siseza kuloko.
And as we have explained to you that your response was, you cannot recall whether you were at home or you were at work.
Na njengoba sesikufundele ke ukuthi impendulo yakho yase ithini ke ukuthi awukhumbuli noma wawusekhaya noma wawusemsebenzini.
Now, did you tell the person who was interviewing you in the boardroom on the 17th of October 2014, that on the 26th of October 2014 you were at home?
Ingabe umuntu owaye khulumisana nawe xoxisana nawe laphayana eboardroom wamtshengazo i17 lezi wamtshela yini ukuthi wena nge26 zika October 2014 wawusemakhaya
And that you had the ceremony of a child to perform?
nokuthi futhi kwakufanele wenze umsebenzi wengane.
Nkosenkantolo, umbuzo nokungitshena lezo zinto ezihlukene nkosenkantolo.
My Lord, to pose a question or to ask me a question to put it to me, those are the different things.
Ukinindu bengitshena ubengangibuza ubengitshena.
Kininda was not asking me, he was telling me.
Ngoba yena uthi vele ngizwile na uthi uyedelela. Kusho lo muntu lo unolwazi lami uthi vele uthi ngiyedelela kusho yena. Shithi bamtshelile akangibuza umuntu uyangitshela.
Because he even said to me that I've heard that you are disrespectful. So this person is not asking me, and this person has got information about me. So he's putting it to me.
Okokuqala nje phambi kwenkantolo ngikubonisa. Mayizothi umuntu gumula ngifuna ukubota amathathu onayo. Lokho inkani le.
And if I were to explain this, if someone tells you that get undressed or take off whatever you are wearing, I want to see tattoos. My Lord, that in itself, that is stubbornness.
Aphinda athi khamisa ngifuna ukubona igolide wakwalifaka inkani le.
And also, for the person to tell you, open your mouth, I want to see if you've ever had a gold. That also being stubborn.
Manje ukumbuza phambi kwenkantolo ukungibuza nokungitshena izinto ezihlukene mina ngendlela engazi ngayo.
Now, according to my knowledge, for someone to ask me and to put something to me, those are different things.
Mr. Ntanzi, have you told anyone, any member of the investigating team, that on the 26th of October 2014 you were at home and that there was a ceremony for a child that you had to perform?
Ingabe ukhona yini owake wamtshela kwithimba eliphenyayo ukuthi nge-26 October 2014 wawusekhaya nokuthi futhi wawuzokwenza umsebenzi wengane?
Azange ngufake umsebenzi wengane ngangibatshela ukuthi mangingekho emsebenzini ngisekhaya nkosenkantolo ngoba uthi yena mina nginamateksi ngihlala eFosolasi.
I never included the issue of the ceremony of the child, my Lord, because it was said to me, I just said that I was home, because he was saying to me that I've got taxis and I also stay in Phosphorus.
Do you also concede that when you were testified, when you were testifying in chief, when counsel was leading you, you never mentioned that on the 26th of October 2014, you were at home and had this ceremony for a child?
Uyakuvuma yini nokuthi ke ngesikhathi ke uqala nje ukuthi uzongena la eboxini uhola uyena ke ummeli wakho ukuthi ke awuzange ukusho lokho ukuthi ke ngazi i26 October 2014 wawusekhaya nokuthi wawunalo umsebenzi wengane?
Ummeli wami akazakhuluma nge-26 lapha ecourt.
My legal representative never made mention about of the 26th here in court.
Angimkhumbuli ekhuluma ngazo engibuza ngelapha.
I do not remember him asking me about the 26th as I was standing here.
Yes, no. He did put the evidence before you that you were seen at Phosphorus Hostel on the 26th of October 2014. You just simply denied.
Sikushilo ke kuwena ukuthi ke wabonwa ehostel ePhosphorus nge-26 October 2014 waphika nje wena lokho?
Vele ihostel namanje angiyazi phambi kwenkantolo.
Indeed, up until now, my Lord, I do not know the hostel.
But you do agree that you never, when you were testifying in chief, you did not mention that on the 26th of October 2014 you were at home and you had a ceremony for the child.
Kodwa ke manje uma sisho ke kuwena ke ukuthi ke ngesikhathi uthola ubufakazi bakho ke obuyinhloko noma ngesikhathi ke ummeli wakho ekhola awukazi ukusho lokhu kokuthi wawusekhaya nge-26 October 2014 nokuthi kwakunalo umsebenzi wengane.
Nkosenkantolo ngikhona lapha phambi kwakho ngimile eboxini.
My Lord, I am here in front of you. I am standing in this witness stand.
Namanje lokho ngiyakusho phambi kwakho icourt ngiyayitshela ngoba ithe icourt fanele singene eboxini sisiphendulele.
I am now saying this and telling the court because the court said that we should come to the box and answer for ourselves.
Namanje ngiyakusho lokho phambi kwecourt answer ngimkuyo namanje.
I'm still maintaining it before the court. That is the answer that I'm sticking to.
My lord, would like to traverse the bank statement. We just want to establish what the stance of Mr. Ramasipili is. So it's 7 minutes before the long adjournment. Can we take the long adjournment, then resume at 2?
Sibuya ngo-2